In this video, I will guide you through the step-by-step process of identifying and closing listening ports using simple command line instructions. For this, go to Search and type Command and select Command Prompt Run as administrators as shown here. If you get the pop-up, click on Yes. Now let's display all the ports used by your computer. For this, type Netstat-ANO and press Enter. It display active network connections and listening ports. In my case, this port 9092 is creating the problem. You can simply find this port using findstr command as shown here. Just type port number next to colon as shown here. This is PID number. Please note down this number. To close this port, we'll use the PID number. Here we will use taskkill force command to close that particular port. Now type PID number and at list type /F to forcefully run this command. Then press Enter. Now go and check again where or not that port is listening. You can see I didn't get anything, so we can conclude that no one is listening on that port. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.